Hello guys, did you miss me? It's been a long lockdown. I hope you all have been staying safe. We're back to unboxing new tech for your information and viewing pleasure, of course. And we're starting off strong with this little box from SANDMARC. They reached out to me and sent something that I'm sure will help me not only with my work from home meetings, but also with my overall production setup. Let's go. First of all, this product is called the SANDMARC Prolight Video Conference Edition. It comes in a sleeve box that's very weighty. It inspires confidence that it will actually protect the light during transit. It says here at the back that the Prolight Bicolor is their most powerful light with a brightness power of 1500 lux. It's perfect as a key light or a fill light. I like this. If you guys have any idea about video production, you would know that lighting is incredibly important. It also says here that this was designed in California. Take away the sleeve and open up the box. We're greeted with the light itself inside a wax plastic bag, inside some closed cell foam to protect it from bumps during shipping. We'll set that aside and see what else is in the box. There's also a cold shoe mount here. For the people not in the know, this fits into that little slot on top of cameras that are meant for camera flashes. It's made of metal and feels very sturdy. Underneath all that, there's an additional clamp mount for the light. It's on a ball head, so this is supposed to be more versatile in positioning compared to the regular cold shoe we saw earlier. Apart from that, we get a microfiber carry bag for the light with the SANDMARC branding, and a white USB-C charging cable. There is no wall wart included. Let's head on over to the light. Taking it out of the wax bag, we can see that it has a rubber protective case that, I assume, also doubles as a diffuser. Let's take that off for now so we can have a closer look at the light. So this is the Prolight Bicolor from SANDMARC. Starting at the outside, it has a metal body with flat sides that have chamfered edges. On one side, we can see the array of white and orange LEDs that allows the Prolight to change its light color temperature. On the top, there is a USB-C charging port and power button. At the back, there's a small screen, some details about the product, and some SANDMARC branding. Apparently, the Prolight has a 3000 mAh battery. Nice. At the side, there is a roller toggle that is also pressable, and at the bottom here is a standard tripod screw mount. This is where you can connect the light to the cold shoe mount and the ball head clamp included in the box. Let's turn on the light, see how it performs. Wow, that's really bright. I didn't expect that. And that's only at 50% power. Here's full power. And here's 5% power, the lowest available power. Let's keep it at that so I don't blow out the highs of my camera. Control of the light is through the roller toggle at the side. Up and down controls the power percentage of the light, and if you press the toggle, it switches over to the temperature control in Kelvin. It's currently set at 5000 Kelvin, so the light temperature is close to sunlight. If we take it down to the lowest 3000 Kelvin, it goes super orange, kind of like a sunset color. And when we bump it up to the maximum 6500 Kelvin, it turns into a hospital operating theater white. So now, using the ball head clamp, let's attach it to my current laptop, the ROG Zephyrus X acronym G14 RMT01, to test out how effective it is for improving the image quality with a webcam. Let's go. Here's the setup. Since the RMT01 doesn't have a built-in webcam, I'll be using the ROG Eye and we'll be checking out how big of a difference the SANDMARC Prolight will have in image quality. So here's the image quality without the Prolight. And here it is with the Prolight on. It makes a world of difference. Looks like I'll be putting this on my camera now every time I'm going to shoot some talkies, just to get that clear face light going on. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the SANDMARC Prolight Bicolor Conference Edition. Do you have any questions about it that you would like to be answered in the full review? Leave them in the comments. Also, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight to the point videos like this. My previous video was my review of the Legion M600 wireless gaming mouse. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it, it's pretty good. That's it, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!